Updating your primary email on Spotify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the app and log into your account using your current email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the account settings menu, look for the option to edit your profile. Click on this to access your personal information. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the section for your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the designated field, making sure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new email is registered. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Spotify will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages from Spotify.